Okay, Chris Johnson back here with a fun thing called the 1089 force. And for this to be the most clear possible, I'm going to have you look over my shoulder again at a piece of paper. We can do the math together, because this trick does involve a little bit of math. Let me turn the camera around so you can see what I can see. Okay, the name of this force is the 1089 force, because when you do the math correctly, no matter what number somebody else picks, you're always going to have the number 1089 left over. So you can have that written down in a scrap of paper and set aside as your prediction. Now, what you do is you ask the person who's helping you to pick any 3-digit number, but every digit has to be different. So if they picked 113, for example, that would not work. If they picked 123, that would work. But let's pretend that the person picks 378. Let's pretend that's their number. You then ask the person to take their number that they picked, their 3-digit number they picked, and reverse it. So it would be 873. Then you ask them to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So we look at the first number. Which number is bigger? The 8. So we would subtract 378 from 873. Let me just erase that. So we need to reverse this, or subtract this. So we have here 5, then we have here 9, and we have here 4. Let me check my math by using my calculator. So we have 873 minus 378. 495. I was right. Then we ask them to reverse that number again. So now we have 594. We add those two numbers together. 9, carry the 1, 5 plus 4, 1089. So it works. And we have our prediction at the end. So this will always work if you do this. If you take any 3-digit number, every digit has to be different. Reverse it, and then you have two numbers. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, and then when you have that answer, reverse that answer, and then add them together. If you do that math correctly, just like I showed you, you will always get 1089. Try it yourself with several 3-digit numbers that you make up so you can make sure that you've got it right. And the secret to this trick is making sure you give the people that you are working with really clear instructions. Because this works automatically, the hard part is your communication. So that's the part you want to practice, practice, practice. Have fun with this. It's a really cool magic trick.